In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email link in a Mailchimp campaign. Whether you're fine-tuning a marketing strategy or just trying to make your emails more interactive, adding an email link can be a great way to directly connect with your audience. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can get started without a hitch. Once you're logged in, look for the Campaigns tab. This is your main hub for managing all your ongoing campaigns, so you'll be spending a fair bit of time here. Next, find and open the specific campaign you're working on. You might have multiple campaigns running, so make sure to select the correct one. Once inside your selected campaign, you're going to want to hit the Edit Design button. This option is crucial as it lets you access and tweak the design elements of your email to better suit your communication goals. With the design editor open, navigate to the text block where you want to insert the email link. It's important to think about the placement of this link. You'll want it to be easily accessible to your recipients, perhaps near other contact information, or within the call to action section. Once you've identified the right spot, click into that text block. Now highlight the specific text or object you want to convert into a clickable email link. This is the visual cue that tells your recipients there's an email link they can click on, so make your choice stand out. With your text or object highlighted, look for the link icon in the toolbar above. It resembles a chain link, serving as an intuitive hint for linking content. Once you click the link icon, an insert or edit link pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you have a few options to choose from. Find the link to drop-down menu and select email address from the options available. This is the key step that switches the link type to an email. After selecting email address, you'll input the desired email address your recipients will contact. Double check for any typos to ensure everything is correct. In addition, you have the option to add a subject line and even a body message. This can help guide the message's focus or provide a specific initiation for the conversation. Finally, with all your information entered, click Insert to finalize that link. Once inserted, don't forget to click Save and Close to ensure all your changes are properly saved. With just a few clicks, you've now added an interactive, clickable email link to your Mailchimp campaign, enhancing its functionality and potential to engage your audience. And that's it, you've successfully made your campaign a bit more dynamic and user-friendly.